Ladies and gentlemen, we have a very important announcement. Check it out, check it out, check it out!
Springdale, an average city where an average boy has not-so-average powers.
It's gotta be the work of a yokai.
It's amazing!
But what if the past were changed and those powers stripped away?
Where's the yokai watch?
Join Nate Adams, Jibanyan,
I am a cat and I love it like that!
and Whisper as they travel back in time to meet Nate's grandfather
The yokai watch?
Nathaniel created it.
Let's go!
and hold on tight as they join forces with practically every yokai in the known universes to battle some of the most wicked villains known to man.
That's one weird-looking fart!
Watch as our heroes fight to restore the past and retrieve the Yokai Watch in Yokai Watch, the movie!